This morning, y'all, I'm sharing a recipe, and I think I've shared this before, but it was online or even one of my cookbooks. Bubba made a couple of really good breads. He made the beer biscuits, and he also made Bubba's corn muffins. And this was actually a corn muffin that for a time when I was in the smaller restaurant, I would make these cornbread muffins at night because we didn't have enough griddle for me to make hoe cakes at night. So we only served the hoe cakes at lunch and these corn muffins at night. And Bubba served these at Uncle Bubba's, his restaurant. And it's hard to believe my brother has been gone. Gosh, this year will be 7 years, and I still miss him like it was yesterday. But anyway, I'm thinking about you today, Bubba, just like I did yesterday and just like I'll do tomorrow. So anyway, I know what I was wanting to do. I kept coming to the refrigerator, but I couldn't remember what I was wanting to do. So to me, this is important. If I can find it, I don't know, I may not have any. Anyway, I use a cornmeal mix because, did I not have a cornmeal mix anywhere? Anyway, the cornmeal mix works so much better than straight cornmeal. So you want to start with a cup of self-rising meal, or if you can, I wanted to show y'all the bag that it comes in.
It's in there. It's just a 5-pound bag. It's not small.
Okay, well, I just couldn't see it for nothing.
Right where the scale was in that.
Oh, there. It was turned backwards. I thought it was grits. Good. Thank you, Teresa. So this is what I use for my cornbread making. And it's just a lot better than the plain cornmeal. So you shouldn't have any trouble finding that in your grocery store. But if you live somewhere where they don't stock this, you can always order it on the web, don't you think, Teresa?
Oh, yeah.
I would think so. But anyway, it makes that much difference. So in goes my self-rising cornmeal mix, a cup of, it's 3/4 of a cup of self-rising flour. And you need to make sure your flour is self-rising since your cornmeal mix is also self-rising. Because if you use plain flour, you would need to either add baking powder or you'd have to add a teaspoon of baking powder to it. Otherwise, they're not gonna rise up like they should. And I've got some salt. And Bubba liked to put a little bit of cayenne in his. And Michael just loves these muffins. He just loves them. All right, so I've got my 2 eggs. And I bet you have all this stuff in the pantry that you could make these on a second's notice, as long as you got self-rising cornmeal mix. All right, and then I got an 8-ounce can of creamed corn. And so that's gonna make this cornbread nice and sweet. And hopefully that cayenne will give it a little bite that we like. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix that up. Now you can make this in a cast iron skillet if you want to, but I've just, get back in there. But I've just found that I'm stirring too hard over here. I just like corn muffins. I think they're more convenient, and any of the leftovers I can split and butter and toast in my air fryer. So they'll be just as good the next day. Okay. Now for my for my corn muffins or my cakes, I like to use, well, this is regular butter flavor, and I'm just gonna spray my dipper, but I'm gonna use for my, oh, you've already done it, hadn't you, Teresa? Thank you. When you're doing cakes or muffins or anything like that, I like to use the baking spray that has flour in it because it will almost never stick, you know, if you use that kind. So thank you, Teresa. All right. So you don't want to overmix your corn muffin, any kind of muffin you're making. You just don't want to kill it by overbeating it. I'm just doing this quickly, and then I'll go back and make sure I got it all leveled out, the same size. Uh-oh, may have been a little heavy-handed with some of them, because I don't think I'm going to get 2 more. I'm not. But I am going to go back. Now, we're going to bake these on 375, y'all. So, gosh, I can't remember, 20 or 25 minutes.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, please ask me a question.
The vegetable oil?
Oh, I forgot it, Teresa.
I'm just standing there looking, going.
If it wasn't for Teresa, what in the hell would I do? Why did you wait so late to tell me?
I don't know. I came over.
I thought, well, this ain't mixing right, y'all. Oh, I'm so glad we used the spray with flour. Look at it just coming right back out. See, that's what happens when my mind gets
Overused.
yeah, out of kilter, you know? Oh, anyway, it's going to be delicious. You got you another pan ready, Teresa?
You need me to get, oh yeah. Let me give it to you.
Yes, thank you.
You'll get to spray. See, that's what you really want to do, is spray.
I tried. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did that, but I thought, this is show a thick batter.
Here you go.
Thank you. So you want me to spray it?
I can.
Okay. If you'd spray it, that'd be great.
You have to move that way from me.
Oh, no, here it is.
Oh. Okay.
I had it out to show them what I like to use. So listen, you cooks out there that think you don't cook very good, we all make boo-boos. So you just fix it and keep on going. Okay.
Let's try again.
Let's try again, and we're going to do it right this time. All right, I want to make sure. Yeah, I thought that is the thickest batter. I don't ever recall it being that thick. And we might be able to make 12 now that we got all the ingredients. So here we go. You know, sometimes you just have to laugh to keep from crying. How about that?
Perfect.
We'll call that a done deal.
Okay. 375.
So
For
about 20, 18 minutes. Uncle Bubba's corn muffins. If you've never made these before, you're going to love them. And Michael's favorite way to eat these is buttered and cane syrup poured on top of them. You got to have a little butter. Because remember, the recipe doesn't have any butter in it. Almost didn't have any oil in it either. Teresa hadn't been on her toes. When you taste these, you'll understand why everybody loved them so much at Uncle Bubba's and the Radiant Sons. Loving best dishes, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe, please.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.